Databases are like giant spreadsheets. They store information in rows and columns. Think of a list of students with their names, roll numbers, and marks. That's a database. GIS stands for Geographic Information System. It is like a database, but it can store location information for maps. GIS stores information about locations as well as non-spatial information. This could be anything from streets and buildings to forests and rivers. GIS helps us understand where things are and how they relate to each other. Imagine finding the best route to the gym or tracking the spread of a viral trend. That's GIS in action. Traditional databases are structured like tables. Each row represents a single record, like a student. Each column represents a specific attribute, like name or roll number. This structure is great for storing and organizing large amounts of data. You can easily search, sort, and filter information in a database. For example, a school database might have tables for students, teachers, and courses. This makes it easy to manage school records and track student progress. GIS also uses tables, but it adds a crucial element: location. GIS links data to geographic coordinates, allowing us to visualize it on a map. Think of a map of India with all the major cities marked. GIS can tell you the distance between cities, the population of each city, and even the best route to travel between them. GIS uses different types of data, like points, lines, and polygons. Points represent locations like hospitals, hotels, schools, etc. Lines represent roads or rivers. Polygons represent areas like states or forests. Location, 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 GIS, and spatial data. What sets GIS apart is its ability to understand spatial relationships. GIS knows that Mumbai is located in Maharashtra, and it can calculate the distance between them. This spatial awareness allows GIS to answer complex questions that traditional databases can't. For example, you can use GIS to find all the restaurants within a 5-kilometer radius of your location. GIS can also analyze patterns and trends in spatial data. This is useful for urban planning, disaster management, and even tracking the spread of diseases and many more things. GIS advantages. Seeing is believing. One of the biggest advantages of GIS is its visualization capabilities. Maps are powerful tools for communication, and GIS allows us to create informative and engaging maps. Imagine trying to understand traffic patterns in a city using only spreadsheets. It would be nearly impossible. But with GIS, you can see traffic density, congestion points, and even accident hotspots on a map. This visual representation makes it easier to identify problems, analyze trends, and make informed decisions. GIS helps us see the bigger picture and make sense of complex data. Thanks for listening. If you have any doubts, please contact Dr. Vijay